Hey there, space enthusiasts. Today let's blast off into the past and explore how US presidents shaped the space race. Picture this, it's the Cold War. A time when technological supremacy wasn't just about pride, it was about global dominance. The space race was the ultimate battleground, pushing the boundaries of science and technology. It was a race to the moon, and the US's moonshot moment became a defining milestone. But how did presidents influence this cosmic competition? Well, their role was pivotal. Presidents had the power to set national goals. Their vision and funding decisions determined the direction and pace of space exploration. Think about JFK's famous speech in 1961 where he declared, "We choose to go to the moon." That wasn't just a statement, it was a call to action. Presidential authority also influenced public perception. Their speeches and actions captured the imagination of an entire nation and the world. It was a time when the shared goal of reaching space fostered unity and patriotism. Fast forward to today, and the landscape of space exploration is shifting. Private companies like SpaceX are playing a significant role, challenging the traditional government-led approach. But presidents still have a crucial part to play. The renewed focus on the moon and ambitious plans for Mars missions are testament to that. Looking ahead, the role of the president in space exploration is evolving. Ethical considerations like space debris, resource management, and the potential for militarization are pressing issues. There's also immense potential for space diplomacy. Collaboration between nations could accelerate progress and tackle global challenges. But it's not just about politics and power. Space exploration connects to broader societal issues. Imagine the impact on climate change, resource scarcity, and other global challenges. The future of space is intertwined with the future of humanity. So what does this mean for us? It's a call to action. Engage in discussions about the future of space exploration and its implications for society. Reflect on the potential to expand our reach and understanding of the universe. And there you have it, a journey through history and the stars, shaped by presidential power. Keep looking up, because the future is out there, beyond the stars. Until next time, stay curious. Catch you in the next one.